Who is this one right here?
This is, wait, let me think of his name quick. This is Optimus Prime.
He is.
Bumblebee.
Let me look closer. Hold on.
Well, you can see.
Looks cool on these little stools. And this one is
Megatron.
Megatron. Cool. It's all clear. I'm going to put him on these cool lights.
This is Ratchet.
Yeah, that is cool.
That was Jetfile.
You look cool. Who's this guy?
That is Ironhide. And then that's it for showing today.